check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. Like the bigger brother, this is a fully licensed Volvo push-along ride-on, the perfect little thing to keep around the house for them to run around in. It's suitable for children of up to 5 years of age or up to 110 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Start-up engine sounds, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Padded leather style seats. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.